Hbar at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback to the downside after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.18247 and the 0.17635. And on today's update video, I will be discussing horizontal lines of supports that you need to continue holding above, and also give you my breakdown target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.22917, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas, an area within which we got rejected, starting a pullback in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.16469, an area that we fully maximized in a move that gave us a low below the 0.15587. And after making that significant low, we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that wave 4, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of the wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, and that is between the 0.18265 and the 0.17633, which is the area over here. And you can see that that area has been acting as resistance, and we are now getting rejected within that area, starting a pullback that I am now terming as the formation of that wave 5 to the downside. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.12814 as my next target area. And that means that in case in the next coming hours you continue seeing further downside, and maybe at some point we lose the significant low we made in the formation of the wave 3 above the 0.15604, and maybe also at some point we also lose our horizontal line of support above the 0.15325, flipping it into resistance, maybe with a retest, then we can continue expecting further downside to fully maximize our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 5. And once we have a complete 5-wave structure to the downside, then I will be expecting a substantial bounce over here, breaking above key areas of resistances and significant highs. But for now, let us continue paying attention to our key area of support above the 0.15325, and also have in mind that we can easily hit the 0.1286 in the next coming hours in the formation of that wave 5. And that is all for this video, and I believe I will catch you on the next one.